Hi guys! Welcome to the 12 tags of code mas my teacher gave to me. If the text is the ink, the background color is the paper itself. This is how you change the entire mood of a section, from fiery red to cool blue. Come and let's paint the canvas of our website. By the way, here's the video I learned the codes from. So background color. It is used to set the color of the area immediately behind the content of an element. If the color is the ink, then background color is like choosing the color of the paper your text is written on. So in layman's term, it is the paper color. Here are the codes I used. My handout 6 activity, the previous code, and the result of our current code. Thanks for watching!